everybody, welcome back to Divination Diva. So this is going to be a video about what are their thoughts for you. Now this is a oh Lord, somebody wants to speak. Okay. This is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. This is a general reading for the entire collective out there. Take what resonates and leave the rest. I think I said that. The energies are too heavy. Too heavy. Now, this could be anybody. This doesn't have to be just a romantic partner or anybody you're involved with in a love kind of a scenario. It can be anybody who you want to know their thoughts about you. You know, when I shuffled the cards and these two cards fell out, I was like, what is this? What are these energies? Let's see. Give me a minute. Look at the amount of pentacles in this reading. We have the Six of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Moon. For the Moon, I have the clarifiers as Queen of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles. Guys, there is a person around you who is hella serious about you, crazy serious about you. Like, this person is just wanting to spend the next 10 lives with you. Not even this life. Okay, let this life be. They want to spend the next 10 lives with you. Okay, this is such an intense reading and this is such an intense message that I'm getting. For a moment, when I opened the cards, you know, I got a heaviness on my head. I just got a bit confused. At the same time, I was like, what is happening over here? Give me a moment to just read it. Sometimes you read something so intense, you are just like, what? What? This person is wanting to spend like an eternity with you. There is somebody who's very crazy about you. There's only one little block, which is that they don't know how to approach you. They don't know how to talk to you. They don't know how to heal this connection with you. That is the only thing. The Moon card over here is saying that. They are sure about you. They are practical about you. They understand everything. There is everything. But this person, see, I'm picking random cards. I didn't even, another pentacle. Oh God. Okay. Guys, I have something for you guys. For many of you, this is for sure a soulmate kind of a connection. This is for sure a romantic connection. For many of you, there is only one little blockage, which is this, which is the devil, which is all the negativity that is in your energy and in their energy. Guys, use the color white a lot because the opposite of black is white. Use the color white a lot, whether it be in your clothes, whether it be in food, whether it be in anything. Okay, use accessories. Use the color white a lot to attract purity and cleansing. Somebody is coming towards you for sure, and this person is stable. This person wants to offer you stability. This person wants to be with you. They are for sure about it. Okay, this seems to be the kind of connection where the both of you have not really talked for a very long time, or the both of you are out of touch, and it's like the past is weighing heavy on them. The past is coming up again. Okay, that's what's happening. Let's see some more things, what has to come. This was such a heavy energy, and that too so many pentacles. Another pentacle, it's falling. The pentacles are falling. This person seems to be waiting for something. It could be like a sign, maybe from you, maybe a message or a sign or an indication, maybe from the universe also. That would also be okay for them, but they just need some sort of like a kickstart energy or a sign where they are like, okay, I am okay to do what I want to do, but I need some surety that this will work out. Yeah. They are afraid of rejection. They are afraid of maybe you acting cold. They are afraid of the fact that you will not talk to them properly, and that is the reason they are wanting some sign that it will all go well. They are kind of not wanting to they are not wanting to what is the word, they're not wanting to get insulted. Okay, they don't want to get insulted by you. Yeah, this person is for sure depressed, and because of this depression they are looking for so much signs, so many signs, or just so many reassurance, so much reassurance. They know it intuitively, they know. See, Empress, when I am just, they think of you very highly, guys. Very, very highly. This person thinks of you very highly. They think that you are beautiful. They think you are kind, you are generous, you are loving, you are cute, you are everything that they have ever wanted or they have ever imagined. All those cliched love songs about beauty and about beauty and faces combined, that. Yeah, see, this person thinks about you a lot, and I feel sometimes these are just excessive thoughts for no reason with the page of swords over here. Okay, this person definitely wants to reach out to you. This person definitely wants to talk to you. This person is this person is at that stage where they are like, I don't want to speak the wrong thing, or if I wait too long, will it be too late? You see, the thoughts are very jumbled up. With the page of swords over here, their energies towards you are like, I want to go and I want to express, but I want to also sit and blabber because I'm feeling too much. I'm thinking too much. There is too much that I want to say, and some things might be very weird or very awkward, and it's okay. I want to just say it. It's that. Okay. But there is definitely a very Four of Wands, guys. This person wants you badly. They want to marry you. Oh God. Yeah, intense energies. Intense energies. See, Page of Swords, Nine of Swords, all these things coming up, they are just I like to use this word, they have hung up. They are hanging in the middle of nowhere. They are hanging in the middle of nowhere. Okay, and because they are hanging in the middle of nowhere, this person also is frustrated because they are hanging in the middle of nowhere. Now you imagine you want to do so many things, you even have the resource, but you're just restricting yourself. How would you feel at that, right? How would you feel? You would feel frustrated. Okay, I am being pushed to pull a guidance for you because this person is definitely carrying very heavy energies, and sometimes it does affect you. Sorry. Let's see what's the guidance for you. Guys, try to not get affected by these energies, even though you will be. Wait, I'm giving the guidance again. Page of Swords for you also. Sometimes you do catch their energies. Yes. So guys, don't get affected by their energies. Don't get affected by what this person is projecting onto you. The guidance for you is to do your own thing. Be carefree, be lightweighted. Okay, if you're feeling heavy, maybe you can use the switch word light, 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 or release, release, release. Or you can do something to release that blockage. You can wash your hands with salt water or anything like that, and then you can just keep going on with your work. Because this person has to come towards you. It is just their overthinking and childishness for no reason that they are doing this. They are, yeah, they are just childish for no reason. They're just overthinking for no reason. You need to let this go, and you need to just surrender and be at that place where, okay, you come to me when the time is right. I don't want to run behind this. Yeah, you just say that, because you get affected. You get affected by these energies a lot. So the guidance for you is to just do your own thing, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, try to not get affected by it. Try to release it as much as you can. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. Hope this helps. Like this video and share it with your friends and family. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts about this video. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I put up a new video. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.